if you want to bring back the OG or the iconic Linux Mint startup sound effect, and you notice something, this sound effect right here. That looks like that, but if you want to bring it back, you can go to the following link and then click download. And also, you had to know that the OG startup sound effect would do the best. Let's go to downloads and here it is. Let's click open and then it works. Well, let's test it out. Let's let's start by logging out and we should be ready to go. But for this video, I'm not using a real hardware. I'm using it on the virtual machine because I don't have any old laptops to run Linux, so I'll get to that later. Let's log it off for now and it should be ready to good. And this and it may take a while to log it out for me, so I have to skip it. Okay, we log it out, so we're gonna enter the super secret password and here we go. As you can see, you're now successfully done.